For the best nursing lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected and tuned with us.
Hi guys, I am Julia Zala, studying in first year BSc Nursing from Khyati College of Nursing in Ahmedabad, and I am going to explain you the very interesting kidney. So let's get started.
Kidneys are main organs of urinary system. The urinary system is the main excretory system and consists of the following structures: two kidneys which secrete urine, two ureters that convey urine from kidney to urinary bladder, the urinary bladder which collects and stores the urine, the urethra through which urine leaves the body. The parts of urinary system: two kidneys, two ureters, and urinary bladder. The kidneys lie on the posterior abdominal wall, one on each side of the vertebral column, behind the peritoneum and below the diaphragm. They extend from the level of 12th thoracic vertebra to the 3rd lumbar vertebra, receiving some protection from the lower ribcage. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left, probably because of the considerable space occupied by liver. Liver is located on the right side of the abdominal cavity and it is about 1 to 1.5 kg. Because of this weight of liver, right kidney is lower than the left. Kidneys are reddish brown bean-shaped organ, about 11 cm long, 6 cm wide, 3 cm thick, and weigh about 150 grams. A sheath of fibrous connective tissue, the renal fascia, encloses the kidney and renal fat. Organs associated with kidney. As the kidneys lie on the either side of the vertebral column, each is associated with the different organs. Right kidney. Superiorly, the right kidney is associated with the right adrenal gland. Anteriorly, it is associated with the right lobe of liver, the duodenum, and the hepatic flexure of colon. Posteriorly, it is associated with the diaphragm and the muscles of posterior abdominal wall. Left kidney. Superiorly, it is associated with the left adrenal gland. Anteriorly, it is associated with the spleen, stomach, pancreas, jejunum, and splenic flexure of colon. Posteriorly, it is associated with the diaphragm and the muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. This is the anterior view of kidneys, showing the areas of contact with associated structures. Gross structure of kidney. There are three areas of tissue that can be distinguished when longitudinal section of kidney is viewed with naked eye. An outer fibrous capsule surrounding the kidney, the cortex, a reddish brown layer of tissue immediately below the capsule and outside the renal pyramids. The medulla, the innermost layer, consisting of faint conical shaped striations, the renal pyramids. The hilum is the concave medial border of kidney where the renal blood, lymph vessels, ureters, and nerves enters. Urine formed within kidney passes through the renal papilla at the apex of pyramid into the minor calyx. Renal papilla is the pointed end of the medulla, which is also called minor calyx. Several minor calyx merge into the major calyx, and 2 or 3 major calyx combine forming the renal pelvis, a funnel-shaped structure that narrows when it leaves the kidneys as the ureters. Microscopic structure of kidney. The kidney contains of about 1 to 2 million functional units, the nephrons, and the much smaller numbers of collecting ducts. The collecting ducts transport urine through the pyramids to calyx, giving the pyramids their stripped appearance. The collecting ducts are supported by connective tissue containing blood vessels, nerves, and lymph vessels. The nephron. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons. Nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney as it is capable of forming urine independently. It is formed of renal corpuscle and renal tubule. The renal corpuscle is made up of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Renal tubules are divided into the three parts: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. This is the nephron, and the parts of nephrons are Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, and collecting duct. Renal corpuscle. It is formed of tough capillaries covered by a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule has inner vesicle and outer parietal layers of squamous cells. Space between these two layers continue as the lumen of renal tubule. Renal tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule. It lies in the renal cortex. It has cuboidal cells with brush border. It has more convolution than distal convoluted tubule. Brush border is microvilli. It increases the cell's surface area and thus facilitates with the absorption, which is also present in intestine. Loop of Henle. It dips down from cortex to medulla, forming descending limb, and then it bends and forms the ascending limb that runs from medulla to cortex. The height of loop depends on the placement of glomerulus. The nephrons, which lie near the surface of cortex, are termed as cortical nephrons. The descending limb has the same epithelium as proximal convoluted tubules, while ascending limb has the same structure as the distal convoluted tubule. The looped part is thin segment with the squamous epithelium. There are about 86% of cortical nephrons. Nephrons whose glomeruli lie in the cortex near the corticomedullary junction have long loops of Henle. They are termed as juxtamedullary nephrons. They form 14% of nephrons. Distal convoluted tubule. It is next passed after ascending limb of loop of Henle. It is present in cortex and lined by the cuboidal cells without brush border. The distal convoluted tubule plays a critical role in sodium, potassium, and devaluation of hemostasis. Functions of kidney. Excretion of water products produced in body through urine. Excretion of harmful substance entering in body. This includes urea, creatinine, uric acid, and bilirubin. Maintain water balance, maintain electrolyte balance, maintain blood pressure, regulates acid-base balance. Erythropoietin secreted by kidneys stimulates the production of erythrocytes. Regulation of calcium through vitamin D. Produces number of hormones including renin, erythropoietin, prostaglandin, and thrombopoietin. The adrenal glands. Adrenal gland, also known as suprarenal glands, are small triangular shaped glands located on the top of both kidneys. Adrenal glands produce hormones that help regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential functions. The adrenal gland secretes steroid hormone such as cortisol and aldosterone. It is also makes precursors that can be converted to sex steroids like androgens and estrogen. Adrenal gland also produce epinephrine or adrenaline and norepinephrine or noradrenaline and ADH, antidiuretic hormone.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.